Hi, I'm Jeffrey King. I'm the technical trainer here at Jon Wayne Service Company, and I'm here to talk to you about air filters and their MERV ratings. What is a MERV rating? A MERV rating is the minimum efficiency reporting value of a filter, meaning that it's the minimum amount of particles that the filters can catch in the worst case scenario. I don't recommend a MERV 13 filter because most air conditioning systems can't handle that kind of pressure. See, the higher the MERV rating, the higher the pressure. And the air conditioners require so much airflow. So when you put too high of a MERV rating, the unit has got pressures beyond what the blower can handle, and then you don't get the required amount of airflow for your home. So I recommend, and Jon Wayne recommends, a MERV 11 filter so that you get the right amount of airflow as well as capture as much particles as you can without damaging your equipment. Most systems aren't compatible with the pressure drop of a MERV 13 filter. So as you can see, we check the pressure drop of the system, meaning that the system's not moving the right amount of air that it requires and it's working harder and inefficiently. So here's an example of some different filters available. This one here is one that you could buy at your grocery store or at your hardware store. It has a very low MERV rating, meaning that it wouldn't catch many particles. However, it does have a very good path for air to flow, but does not keep your system very clean. This filter is a MERV 11 filter. It's extended filter. It's got many pleats so that it has room to catch a lot of particles, but still have the ability to pass air through so that your system has the proper airflow. It typically mounts right at the equipment. So if you have any questions about our filters, our MERV ratings of filters, or our Jon Wayne Rescue Club, please visit jonwayne.com.